I'm Raman from Bangalore. I'm staying in JP Nagar, Bangalore office. I'm working as a secretary for CEO Jupiter Group in Bangalore. Since 6 months, I suffered a lot from the pains. I had taken treatment for 2-3 places also, but it's not successful. So finally, I got through the website. So the next day, on 1st November, I came and met Dr. Sujitra. So I explained everything. She analyzed also clearly, and she gave the medicine and given the guidance properly. No, there is no constipation, there is no struggling while pushing. Absolutely no problem now. I'm very so satisfied for the treatment and what they give the medicine also. It's really successful on the piles. Really. I would recommend to the people who are suffering the piles without fail. I asked them to come to the hospital also. I should be thankful to the Chirap Hospital doctors and assistants. Thank you so much.